Let's go. All right. Let's go. I'm entering Auburn now. They don't even know who I am. Where they're going, but dude, I'm just following them, bro. I don't even know where they're. Holy shit, this is a nice ass road. Holy fuck. If they get too crazy, then I'm just gonna back off, but it's not too crazy yet, so. Dude, they're not even running plates. This shit. Oh my god, bro. He's on an MT-07 R1 SV650 Honda Grom Ninja 250. What else? S1000 RR. Yeah, this guy is a fake tag from South Carolina. Okay. These are nice bikes. Holy shit, I'm going, oh man. They're going crazy, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, it's bad. Woof. Yeah, dude, this guy's not even running a plate, bro. They just left the Grom in the dust. These are nice ass roads though. I didn't even realize these were here. Holy shit. These are nice ass roads. Yeah, I don't even, I'm just riding with them. They haven't said anything yet. Holy shit, dude. Like, this is fun. But, I don't know, just like the... I don't know. Oh, damn, this guy's bike's all decked out. Yeah, he's on an old 250, not even registered. Oh, now we're in Sumner. Okay, I see. So we just went, like, instead of the highway, we took those big hilly roads that you see. That guy's just sitting on his back seat with his feet on his handlebars, just going down the hill. This guy's whipping his Grom. Holy shit. He's probably going 70. For a Grom, that's pretty quick. Oh, he's got an Insta 360. Oh. Okay, we just did a huge circle. He's got an Insta 360. Holy shit, bro. And if Ellis wants to ride, bro, I'm going to Tacoma. I'm just following them. Yeah. Yep, getting the footage. Alright. They're stopping at the fucking bike place. Nah, I'm gonna ride home, but